dito tayo ngayon. Magluluto tayo ng itlog. Itlog ang ulam namin ngayon. Yipma Baruya is still watching. Ayan, guys, support Yipma Baruya by click a link here. Yes, go to channel. I already go to channel with you. Don't worry, Yipma. Still watching on your videos with ads? 2 of my mobile. Only you, I watch. Because you are only here. You are still here, staying my life. That's why I'm using my 2 mobile to watch your video. But please give me ads so that I will full watch your video together with your ads. Do you know what is ads? Advertisement on your video, so that your revenue will become increase and become higher. That's why I will full watch your videos. But give me ads. Promise, give me ads. Still watching. Give me ads. Give me ads. Guys, to support Yipma Baruya by click a link here. Yes, bring down link Yipma Baruya. We're going to cook. I'm going to cook egg and dill. Ayan, shout out. Abigail Ayoba, mega love shout out. Tamsakin. Ayan, Tamsakin. Yes, Kibrang, barang yuta. Abigail, I will go to you. Ayan, puntahan kita, Abigail. I'm done, Yip Baruya. I'm done. Ayan, Abigail, puntahan kita. Go to channel na lang kita, ha? Ayan, please connect to Nero, please. Ayan, give him support. Ayan. Yip Baruya is still watching on your video on my next. But the other one is done already. Abigail Ayoba, puntahan kita, Abigail, ha? Ay, nagluluto tayo ng ating ulam, itlog at saka dilis. Ayan, Abigail.